another day, another vlog. I decided that I'm going to try to get a vlog up for you guys on Wednesday. The past couple weeks I've been so sick on and off. I don't even want to talk about it. I was like sick and then I would recover and start working again and then I would get sick again and I was like, what is going on right now? Like, why is this happening? But I am fine now. Thank God, fingers crossed that it stays this way. Let's go make some fresh pressed juice because nothing gets me feeling back to my normal self like juicing, and I haven't done it in a couple days. So we're gonna go make some juice and get back into the routine of things. I have a pressed juice recipe that my mom and I actually in Paris, we were going around to different coffee shops and I was like, Mom, I need a juice and smoothie place. I'm in desperate need. I love juice, especially when I'm traveling. I try to go to juice bars a lot just because like you get sick and stuff, and so it's really good to drink a lot of juice. There are so many health benefits, and I told her, I was like, we have to go to a juice bar. So I found one in Paris and they had a juice that I was obsessed with, and I recreate the juice literally all the time. I'm going to wash my produce and we're gonna juice and I'm gonna show you the recipe. It's so tasty, and mangoes are in season right now. I believe they just came in season, the yellow ones. And I'm excited because I'm gonna use them in this recipe, which is really exciting. And then we're also going to do cucumber ginger shots. Disgusting, it tastes so bad, but it's good for you. You're gonna need some ripe yellow, yum, these are gonna be so good. Ripe yellow mangoes first. I have apples, we're gonna juice all of them. I am just going to have a lot of juice in the next, so when I juice, like this is gonna be the juice that I have in the next 24 hours. I try to just drink it as fast as I can. Then you're gonna need some pineapple. I usually would put like double this amount, but I don't have any more pineapple. Some spinach and a little bit of ginger. So I love ginger, but like in small doses because it's so strong. Here is juice number one. This is my absolute favorite drink. I'm not even kidding you guys. I could have like 3 of these a day. It's so tasty. Okay, here is our shot of ginger. What I like to do is I'll juice the whole thing of ginger just over whatever extra green juice, and it kind of like will take all the greens that were left over. It's gonna be horrible. We also have our cucumber celery juice here, and then we have our third juice. So I'm just finishing these. It's like a full detox cleanse. We're gonna do this. I'm not even gonna be able. This is gonna be too strong for me. My eyes are watering. This is too strong, but it's okay. It's gonna really help me stay not sick. Okay, I am just editing what is in my tray and restocking some stuff because I have a new soap. I have to refill my lip mask. I have to refill my mini K18. I have a big one that they sent over. And I just have to edit kind of what's in here. Okay, this is the soap that I have to refill, and basically this is the refill solution for it. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. This is the best hand soap, I swear by it. I know it's so pricey, but it is worth every penny. Some new things. I got this from the Sephora sale, and then K18 sent me a large size of their hair mask. I think I'm out of this one. I mean, might as well just put the big one on my Vanity. This is such a good leave-in. I mean, it keeps your hair so stunning and healthy, and I really like this. I use this a few times in a month, I would say. I don't use it every time I wash my hair, but some Elemis products. Elemis kindly sent over their balm, their moisturizer, their toner pads. I'm just gonna set that up on my Vanity as well. I really hate clutter so much, and just having like a clean, organized space is so important to me. So I'm really gonna go in right now and do a deep clean and make piles of what I don't use. I usually give it to my friends. I don't just throw stuff out, so I'm gonna do that real quick. And then we're gonna wipe down the counters and do all of that. Been in love with this countertop cleaner. It's from Koala Eco, and I really like it. also pet friendly and it's like a cleaner one. The scent of it leaves my house smelling so clean. I'm gonna clean out my bathroom and then I think I'm gonna do like one last round of closet cleaning, which is crazy because I've done this like 3 times already, but like I just want to make sure I have a really clear space. Anytime I feel like I'm overwhelmed, I don't know what to wear, I don't know whatever, I will clean out my closet, clean out my bathroom if there are too many products. I hate clutter. It is not cute to have a lot of clutter, trust me on this. I ordered this set during the Sephora sale with the shampoo, conditioner, and serum. I use this hair serum. I started using it from the restocks. It also comes with the shampoo and it's pink. I'm freaking out, but this is my favorite line that Kerastase does. It's this Genesis line. So these are gonna be in my archive of what shampoo I'm using next when I run out of my Aveda. I love the Aveda and I love this one. I'll link my favorite shampoos. They're so strengthening and amazing for your hair health. Okay, here's the updated tray. I organized everything in here. I have to put some stuff away on the sides. If you see stuff, it's being put away. Good morning. I have such weird hair going on today because I have like a 24-hour-old Dyson blowout. The Dyson blowout does not last on me. Sorry, I'm in front of my bright vanity. I am heading to the tailor really quick. I have a couple of pants that I need to get hemmed. Nothing exciting here, just a couple of pants that I really need to get hemmed from. I've had them forever and I always cuff them and I hate cuffing my pants. Like I would rather just like never do that if I don't have to. Some pants look cute cuffed, but like these are just not that in my opinion. So they're my favorite jeans ever. And I just want to take a little bit off of them. So these are them. They're just these Citizens of Humanity. They're the same jean. They're my favorite jean. I have 3 pairs of these, but the white and the dark blue wash are my absolute favorite. Like I wear these so much. They're the best denim in terms of like quality, comfort, style. They're my favorite. So this is the one. It's the Ayla jean, and I actually have to get both of these hemmed, like I said, and then I'm gonna be wearing them a lot, which I'm so excited to, because I felt like I just wasn't really wearing them unless I had like a 5-inch heel to wear them with, which like, I don't know, I want to wear these with like a sandal. They're just so cute. So gonna get these hemmed. It's kind of cold outside. I've been craving like a little bit of chilly weather, so I'm really happy that it's colder outside. It's like 66. I really wanted to have a longer like autumn where we could have more of, you know, that kind of weather. We didn't really have that. We didn't really have a winter. I loved New York. It was so cold and like, I just enjoy the seasons. I really do. I have to take those to get tailored. I have to wear a cute outfit. I just want to like be cute today. I decided I want to wear something cute. And I've been doing closet clean outs and it's just like so nice. I have such a good organized closet right now with just like pieces that I truly love, which is the best way. The jeans need to be refolded. Clearly, I'm just waiting to get those other jeans from the tailor and then I will redo both of these stacks because what is going on? I got rid of so many jeans because I literally just like have only a couple that I actually like and wear, and then these are jean shorts which I literally don't wear at all. I don't even know why I still have those. But everything else in this pile is like hemmed and good. I'm obsessed with this. I love how organized I folded these. I think I did this in like a vlog. I was telling you guys about it. I got a new robe, you guys. I'm obsessed with it. It's this like stitch design that is so chic and cute. So that's my new cozy robe because I needed like a warm one since I wake up early and it's so cold in the morning sometimes. Yeah, I have to like do a lot of organization. Those are my shoes. It's definitely like the type of weather where I could wear probably like a little trench coat and like a jean, so I'm probably gonna do that. I love trench coats with such a passion, and actually a little secret. You guys inspired me to design a trench coat that is very similar to one of my trench coats that I wear all the time and I get a lot of questions on, but that one is like, you can't find it anywhere, and I wanted to design something similar that you guys could buy. So I'm in the process of doing that as well, which I'm really excited for the fall this year. I cannot wait for the fall. I am heading out. I want to share with you my recent obsession. A makeup tutorial is coming. I feel like I need to do a makeup tutorial ASAP. These Dior lipsticks, like I don't like lip gloss. I like just like a lipstick that has like a little shine. This is the one I'm wearing right now. It's in the shade Dior Rodeo. I'll link it. And then I also like a little bit of this particular, and I don't usually like gloss, but like I like a touch in the center. This Armani one, and I will link it with the shade of it. It's so pretty, and I just do a little in the center. And it is so glossy, stunning, beautiful, gorgeous. I also really like the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Naughty Talk. It's newer. I'm really into these like nudie brown with like a little bit of pinky to it lip colors. So I really like that. And then I'm also testing a new pressed powder, and I'm just seeing like how the pressed powder wears and like how it looks throughout the day, just because I feel like sometimes the pressed powders can look a little cakey. And so I did this one. I actually had to set it down with spray though, because yesterday I wore it and it broke down really bad without setting spray. So I tried it with setting spray. I want to see, because look how flawless it looks. It's a pressed powder. So I will report back if I like it. I'm gonna do an updated makeup favorites, because I changed pretty much my entire routine has been changed, and I just want to share with you the products and things I use. I feel like my makeup is looking pretty good, so I want to share that with you guys. But let's head out. I'm wearing my Levi's. See, like I don't love wearing these jeans all the time. I would have preferred to wear one of those that I'm taking to get hemmed with this outfit, but I'm just wearing Levi's, a little cropped white tee, and a trench coat. And what's good about a trench coat is you can like take it off and put it over your shoulder. I also have this one trench coat that I wear all the time that like wraps and ties, but that one I don't want to wear the color of that one today. So I'm just gonna do this, and then I sprayed on like 4 different perfumes, and one of them was Gentle Fluidity Gold, and then I mixed that with like Flower Bomb and a bunch of other scents, and like I just made a perfume cocktail. It's very strong and it smells very good, but perfume just doesn't last on me. I just got a couple of beauty restocks and one new product. My favorite hairspray from Davines. This is the one that I swear by. It keeps my hair just like so polished looking, you know, like put together. The hairs aren't flying everywhere. This is the strong one. I had a bottle of this. I just finished it. I've been using it for like, I'm not even kidding you. It's probably, no, it's expired for sure. It's been like 2 years. I got another one of my hair mask that I'm running low on. This is my favorite line from Kerastase. It's the Genesis. And I just picked up the mask, and then I got the powder melt setting spray from One Size. Apparently this setting spray is really good. It just melts everything in, and I really wanted to try it. So got some new stuff, gonna go put those away, and then I have a phone call, and I have a few other things to do around the house. It started raining, which is so lovely. Like, that's what I needed, that's what I wanted. I wanted like a cozy rainy day. I'm really happy because during the Sephora sale, I stocked up on my favorite shower oil, and I have to tell you guys, this is the most amazing shower oil. I use it to shave and it makes such a difference. Honestly, I used to think it was like silly because my friends would use it, and I was like, no, that's so overpriced for just a shower oil, but I cannot live without it. I will not live without it. It's my absolute favorite. A few things on the agenda. I just woke up. I'm literally in my pajamas and I have to get ready really quickly. My sister and I are going to the Grove. I have no like energy in my voice right now, but let's make a brown sugar shaken espresso, shall we? That is what I was craving last night. Going to bed, I was thinking about it. So you're gonna need a jar. You're gonna need some brown sugar. I'm gonna show you how to make this like a literal coffee shop. Filling a cup with a little bit of ice, just a tiny amount. And then we're gonna turn on our espresso maker. And you're going to do a double shot of espresso. I just made the executive decision to add vanilla beans. So we're also going to be adding a little bit of vanilla with our brown sugar. So I'm excited. I definitely look tired. I could not fall asleep last night. Like I kept, as I was drifting asleep, waking up, which was so random and weird. Like I don't understand why. Okay, we are going to brew our double shot of espresso. Oh my gosh. I'm pulling such a good shot right now. Okay, now we are going to, by the way, look who's here to say hi. Now we're going to do in a jar, we're going to pour our vanilla brown sugar. So I'm gonna do about, I think, a tablespoon. That looks like a lot, but it's okay. I'm really tired and I need all the energy that I can get. Okay, and then we're gonna pour the espresso into the jar. There are these other jars that I want for this project. I don't wanna use these, but it's okay. We're gonna just pour it over. And then we're gonna give it a shake. And I'm gonna froth up the smallest amount of milk as well. A little splash of vanilla creamer. And I'm just gonna do a little bit. That was not a little bit. And it's like the perfect amount because I don't always want a giant latte, so this is just 10 out of 10. I did a ponytail today. I'm scared. Honestly, I took it out and then my sister was like, it was a look before, and I was like, oh, okay. So I put my hair back and now we're back to this. We're at this place called Vanity. Shout out to Sharon, my hairstylist, because she always tells me to come here. And we're getting Philly cheesesteaks with wagyu.